Welcome to another adventure with the Joel Candy. So today we got a pretty sweet adventure. We're going straight up to northern Minnesota and we're going to be camping near Grand Rapids. But before I do that, we should definitely go pay our respects to Matt Tobers. Dude, you're alive. You're alive and safe. Can I get a hug?
No, bro.
Bro, why not? Just let me, come on.
I don't do hugs, bro.
Okay. Okay. Just that.
I don't do hugs.
Where the fuck are you taking me?
Hold on, bro.
Whoa! Holy fuck!
The guy behind me is so
This is like somebody's house.
I don't know.
Just blast this music, dude. What are we doing? You gonna get a Red Bull?
Yeah, let's get water and Red Bull.
Oh, let's get one of these Red Bulls.
Thanks, bro.
Big crow. Oh, he's chilling. That's a fat crow. There was a big game bird over here. Let's see if I can find it. There he is. That's a huge hawk. Oh, it's a that's a vulture, dude. It's a big old turkey vulture. Come here, boy. We weren't finding anything that was too promising. So now what we're gonna do is fly the drone and just kind of check out what we have down here. Looks like there might be something on Google Maps that there is an open spot, but I'm not trying to walk all the way down there. So we're gonna utilize our technology and fly the drone. See what we got. This looks like a very promising area to camp and or hunt. It looks like 1,000 feet back there is a open area. Look at that cute little drone. It's so cute. Whoa. Naughty, naughty. Hey, what the fuck are you doing, dude? I'm trying to enjoy myself here.
The open area is pretty close to the vehicle, which is good. But we're gonna find out. Yeah, this looks pretty good.
Well, let's get go back quick, get the food, and then I need to start figuring out how to make a fire here.
Yeah. Thankfully, we can now have a fire, so that will be awesome.
You're definitely gonna hear animals coming up in here.
Oh yeah.
Question is, where do we set our tents? Just right here? Or right here? You want it like open a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Maybe right here. Because we got to build a fire thing too.
The fire would probably be somewhere over here would be good. Where did we see those other rocks? Oh, that was that. Uh-oh. I see fire.
Well, I got the fire going, and Matt's still setting his tent up. So while that's transpiring and before I cook some dinner, thought I'd just take a little hike here and explore down this trail. Yeah, I mean, I'm getting hungry, but I don't know, could use a little exercise back here. Where's this going? Ooh, that's a little scary in here. Yeah, let's go up in here and explore. This looks cool. Well, I think that's enough exploring out here. It's time to go back and maybe make some food or something. What the hell is that? Sir? You okay? Sir? Stay right there. Sir? Sir, what the? Why is there already stuff in the woods? Well, I escaped that thing, but all that running made me hungry. Let's go make some food. Well, I had a little accident with my wine bottle. Don't have another opener. So we're just gonna hope that there's not glass in this. Just got done making some chili. I built a little cooking fire. The chili was pretty bomb. I didn't really have a lot of good utensils to chop up onions and stuff like that. I had to rip it apart with my hands. So Matt, yeah, dude, I ripped it apart with my dirty dick hands, dude. That's that extra flavor, dude.
Your vagina hands.
Oh, what the fuck, dude? Well, that was some bomb chili that I made. So now I'm just sitting in my tent, getting ready for bed. Tolbers is, I think, sleeping already. So I'll catch everybody, all you folks, tomorrow. So good night. Good night, man in the woods.
Good night.
Well, that's it for this video. Make sure you join me next time for another candy adventure. And if you're subscribed, you'll get notified about that adventure. So I'm going to end with a montage of sorts with some clips that I have not yet included from this last adventure. I'll catch you guys and gals next time.